Hey campers! Outly can be used to plan all types of adventures. Today we're going to focus on how the Outly map layers help you discover new places to disperse camp. A reminder that dispersed camping is primitive camping on public land outside of designated campgrounds. The easiest way to find spots that are already marked in Outly is to go into the camping panel and toggle on the Dispersed Campsites layer. Icons are displayed on the map for existing sites. When you're zoomed out, you'll see circle icons on the map with a number inside. These represent the number of nearby campsites that are combined into that cluster, and as you zoom in, the cluster will break apart into individual campsite icons. The sites can be filtered by selecting the filter icon next to Dispersed Campsites in the panel. Say I want to find sites I can reach in my car that are near a stream or lake. I would select two-wheel drive access and near water. When the perimeter and text of the icon are green, the filter is enabled. So now I will only see sites on the map that are two-wheel drive accessible and near some type of water body. And you can see the number of campsite icons on the map has reduced accordingly. Now I can zoom in and select an individual camp icon on the map to view details for that site, including description, features, a link out to directions in Google Maps, and even photos for some sites. Once I've found a potential site, I can use the other Outly layers to learn more about the area. I can toggle on the SAP map to see tree cover. I can turn on terrain layers like topo contours to determine how steep the surrounding landscape is. I'll toggle on the trails and roads layer to find some nearby hikes. I can check cell coverage to see if I have service out there. Hopefully not, but at least I know where I need to reach to get service if needed. Well, that covers specific marked spots, and there are over 1,100 of those in Outly today, and that number is growing as users continue to submit more. But there are thousands more dispersed sites out there for you to explore and discover. So let's toggle on the Dispersed Camping Areas layer. This layer shows black and white dots along forest roads that might contain potential spots to camp. I'll typically zoom in on a road, toggle on the SAT map, and pan the map along that road looking for pull-offs that indicate a potential campsite. Sometimes you can even see vehicles or fire rings at the pull-offs along these roads to be sure there is a campsite there. As I find potential spots, I'll create points to mark them. And then I'll download a high-res map of the area before I head out. Be sure the map indicator changes to a white info icon indicating the download is complete before you head out. So when I'm out there, I can toggle on all of these layers to navigate. The Dispersed Camping Area layer also works great if you have a specific site picked out, but when you arrive it's taken, which is fair game with these first come first served campsites. At least I have the Dispersed Camping Area layer to quickly determine surrounding roads in the area that might hold other campsites. Finally, as you discover new sites, please submit them back to Outly. We're providing this free tool set with the hopes that all of you campers work together to log thousands of sites, which will create endless opportunities for all of us to explore. Plan ahead, e-scout the area with Outly. Download your maps fully before you head out. Have fun and get outside.